Let's solve this question together. It says m plus n is equal to 50 and mn is equal to 50. We are required to find the value for m and n. Alright, so let's do that quickly. Now, the first thing we can say is that let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. Now, from equation 2, we now have that m is equal to 50 divided by n. Okay, now substituting n for 50 divided by n in equation 1, we have 50 divided by n plus n is equal to 50. Okay, moving on from here, we have multiplying each term by n, we have 50 plus n squared is equal to 50n. Okay, now from here we now say n squared minus 50n plus 50 is equal to 0. Alright, now to be able to solve this, we're going to use the quadratic formula, and the quadratic formula states that n will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now a is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of n squared, b is equal to minus 50, the coefficient of n, and c is equal to the constant term, which is 50. Alright, moving on from here, we have that n will be equal to minus 50 is plus 50 plus or minus square root of 50 squared is 2500 minus 4 times 50 is 200 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now n becomes equal to 50 plus or minus square root of 2300 all over 2. So moving on from here, we now have that n will become equal to 50 plus or minus square root of 2200 can be expressed as square root of 23 times square root of 100. Sorry, 100, not 1000, all over 2. So n becomes equal to 50 plus or minus 10 root 23 all over 2, which can be expressed to be equal to 25 plus or minus 5 root 23. Okay, so this becomes the first two answers for this question, which are the two answers for n. Now let's find the two answers for m. We can say, recall from equation 2 that m is equal to 50 over n. Now, when m is equal to 25, when m is equal to 25 plus 5 root 23, we can write it like this: n as 25 plus 5 root 23 for m. We now have that this will be equal to 50 divided by 25 plus 5 root 23. Right? Now recall that when you have a solid in the denominator, you rationalize the denominator. So we have that this will become equal to 50 divided by 25 plus 5 root 23 times 25 minus 5 root 23 all over 25 minus 5 root 23. And this is equal to 50 into 25 minus 5 root 23 all over, when you have plus and minus, it means difference of two squares, so we have 25 squared minus 5 root 23 squared. Okay, so moving on from here, we now have that m will be equal to, okay, now we have 5 and 25, so we can factor out 5, so we have 5 times 50 is 250 into 5 minus 5 divided by 5 is 1, so root 23 all over 25 squared is 625 minus 5 squared is 25 times 23. Alright, and this is equal to 250 into 5 minus root of 23 divided by 625 minus 575. Now m will be equal to 250 into 5 minus root of 23 divided by 625 minus 575 is 50. Okay, and now this is equal to 50 divided by 250 is 5 into 5 minus root of 23. Okay, hence m now become equal to 25 minus 5 root 23. Okay, and when is this? When is m is equal to 25 minus 5 root 23? When n, okay, when n is equal to 25 plus 5 root 23. Alright, from here we can now say that when m is equal to 25 minus 5 root 23, n is equal to 25 plus 5 root 23, which implies that when m is equal to 25 minus 5 root 23, n will be equal to 25, plus n will be equal to 25 minus 5 root 23. Okay, now conclusively we now have that m, okay, comma n is equal to 25 plus or minus 5 root 23. Alright, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.